Have you ever wanted a quick, healthy, and delicious drink to start your day? So today I'm going to show you how to make a simple flavor milk. So let's look at the pumpkin vitamin. So a plain milk is healthy but not always exciting. So let me show you how to turn it into a flavor milk. So these are the utensils and ingredients I prepared. And I have here a chocolate syrup and a pack of strawberry syrup and of course Alaska fresh milk. So now let's move on to the next to the exciting part that we are called that we call waiting for. So step one, get a glass and pour Alaska fresh milk. Step 2, add 3 spoonfuls chocolate syrup. Okay, and then add 3 spoonfuls again strawberry syrup.
Where did you buy that? In the grocery.
So now, step 4, mix well until everything is combined.
Pilit ako. Wow, hindi ba na kulay? Walang ice cube.
So now, this is the finished product of your taste. I would like to favor on our professor to taste it.
Lakas mo! Gawin mo!
Dad, kasi you could taste chocolate and yet strawberry at the same time.
Oh my God! I have one learn and enjoy my demonstration. So thank you.